Welcome to MacroCode. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. So today we are going to proceed with our hospital management system. So we've been away for some time and we can actually start and ensure that we complete this particular project. So I'll just sign in to our project here. So as you can see, this is our dashboard. We have the dashboard, we have the patients, then we have the human resource module where we have the employees. So under patients, you can see you can register some patients. You can add a new patient, name, middle name, last name, phone number, ID number, email address, date of birth, guardian phone number, the gender, marital status, blood group, allergies, and remarks. So this is actually a project in Blazor for those who are new for this channel. So it's actually a project in Blazor and we are using Mad Blazor. So if you want to see how this works, so you better subscribe and follow this particular series until the end of this video. So also you have the administration module, we have the system codes. So here you can add the code. So this codes is kind of a grouping of the drop-down options. For example, the male, female, and also married, single, and widow. They're actually a group of marital status, and this one is actually a gender. So you can see we have the two options. Instead of add coding, you can do this. Then you have the departments. So you can create departments. Here you can add new department. So for example, here we say security. Say here this is security department. So if you do that and save, then you'll see we have our security department. So let me just check if that is there. So you can see you have a security department. We have it here. We have another one here. I think we had added. So, and you can see our pagination is also working. So if you can do 10, then you can see you have a list of 10 records. You can do 50, then you're able to see all that. Then you have the countries. So you also have countries here. You can add a new country. You can say this is Zambia. Zambia. So I don't know the code of Zambia. So we'll just do here ZA. So if you save, then you'll be able to see our code. So let me see. Here we have, where is Zambia? So I think it's more. So you can see we have Zambia here. So you've just added and you can proceed and add more. Then we have the system users. So here we are also able to register users. So these are list of users. So what I want us to do today is I want us to change some things on our project. So if you go and register a patient, you'll see here under sex, we have 0, blood group 0. So I want us to change this so that we have some options that we can use instead of just those two. So what I want us to do is just go to our project here. So I'll just go to our project, which is patients. So add new patient, and you can see on our project, we've been using Bootstrap. So we have here div class, column. So you see this, I want us to change this. So if you go to our employees, we've actually removed that and we use the mad grid, then mad item, and we use the, this particular styling. So I want us to change this particular approach that we are using on our other side. So let's just go to patient here. So I'll just paste this here, and you can see here we have the mad item. So we'll be having mad item, then mad text field, then here you also have, we close with mad item. So this is what I want us to replace with. So you can see here we have this. So we'll be having mad item, then you have our mad grid here. So if we go to the bottom, so we need to close this with our, so if you come here, we need to close our mad grid here. So here you'll replace this with mad grid. And now if you, let me zoom. So if you zoom this, here we can now replace the rest with mad item, mad item. So let's just do this. And also we can do this. So I'll just do that. Then we can have this. So if we do that, I'll also do this. So I'm going to replace all the sections just to use the mad item. So if we just do this, I'll paste it here. I'll just do this. I'll paste this here. And also do this. I'll paste this here. So I'm going to change all the sections to use mad item. So here, if we just do that, I'll replace this here. I can also copy this and have it here. So if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, follow the videos that we've done. And also, in case you need the source code, you can claim the source code using the link down below. So that actually goes a long way in ensuring that we provide you guys with more content and we update this particular episode so that we are able to cover everything. So as you can see, we've updated our add patient section. So if I update our auto reload and go back to our app, you realize that we still, you see, it is more spacious now. We have all these particular section well spaced, and you can see date of birth here. You can have the guardian phone number, address, gender, marital status, blood group. But I want us to change one thing. You can see here we have the blood group as 0, which is actually the first item. So instead of doing that, I want us to ensure that we are having the unselectable first item on our list. So to do that, let's just go here to all the drop-down options. We should be able to add that. So here we can add, you can say mad select item value, just do 0. Then say disabled. You can actually disable it. Then you can say this is true. Then we can say here select. So this is gender. So here you'll say select gender. So I'll just do gender. Then we can have this here. So, and you can see this is already closed. So if I update this, we should see that on our gender, we should be having something like select gender. You see, it is showing now that we can select gender instead of having the 0 and 0 here. So we can do the same for the other drop-down options. So I'll just come here and do that here. Then I'll say select marital status. So marital status here, select blood group. So this is blood group. So here select blood group. Then I think those are the only ones. So if I update this, come here, then you can see we need to check. So this is blood group. Where is our marital status? So this is marital status. We have it here. Then we also have gender. So if I update that, we should be having both of them. So go back to our app. So you can see now we have marital, and you can see the select gender is not part of the list that you can select. So you can do here disabled, or you can actually remove it. So if I just do that and update, you can have it, assuming you don't want it to, you can select the rest, but in case you don't want it, you can do that. But this one, you can, in case you want to disable it, you can do that. So let's just update our app and we should be good. So you can see we now have this. So let's just do here register one patient. We say macro test. This is test. This is test. Our phone number here. then our ID number, email address test@gmail.com, our date of birth, then you have the guardian test macro, then our phone number for the guardian address, this is say Nai, so we can do Nairobi. Then you can do here male, female, blood group, then allergies, none. Then you say here good. So if we say save, you can see this is saved, and you have our macro code test. So where is it? Let's just do 10. There we go. And you can see our patient has been assigned the number series. So we have the number series already done on our app. So this is, we already have the number series for all the patients that you can create in our application. So for the employees, we had done that. So you can see we have the blood group, but I think we did it only for the blood group. So let's do it for the other sections. So we need to ensure that all the, so this is already using the MAD grid, MAD item. So we need to have the default options. So we can do the same. So we just copy that, and then under the, so this is a drop-down list for gender. So I'll just paste this here, and you can say this select gender. So if we do that, then you can also say for the marital status, you can say select marital status. So that is for the marital status. And we can also do the same for, so let me just zoom and try to minimize this so that you're able to see. So there we go. Zoom in a bit, out a little bit. Then if we go to blood group, we have it. Then department, you can do here select department. Select department. Then we have here for the role, you can do select role name. So you can do select role name. Then you have designation. You can also have select designation. So that's one of them. So we also have specialization, I believe so. Let's see here, specialty. So we need to do select specialty. So once you do that, let's format our code and update our application, and we should be having all the features. So as you can see, we now have, we don't have for sex. Oh, it is there. So let's update. So you can see now we have the select gender. You can select marital status, select blood group, select department, select role name, select designation, specialty, you can see. Then here we can add another employee. We say James Mwangi Kariuki. Then you can have the phone number. I can say here Omondi. Can do here test@gmail. Then you can do date of birth. Can do date of joining. Father name, we say test. Mother name, we say test. So once you have this, then we say save. So you can see our employee, we have here James Kariuki. And these are the list of employees that we have. For the system code, if we do select, I think we only have those two. We have the department system code details. So let's select. So I think we also have the drop down here. So let's correct that. For the add system code, we should also add this on our system code. So I don't know for the country. So let's just check across our sections. So for the add department, I think we were using this. So let's just change to ensure that we are fully using MAD Blazor features. So if you check here, we are using MAD item. So I'll just go to add system code, and I'll replace this, and I can say this is MAD item. also this, I can also say this is mad item. Then here, content, I think this is 2 of them. We need to remove 1. So then I format. So that is cool. So let's do the same for add patient. I think we've done it. So you can see all is okay. Departments, departments is the one we need to do. So here we can replace this as well. So here you can say, let's remove this, and this is mad item. You can also have this, here is mad item, and this is mad grid. So then there we go. So let's check for countries. Countries also you can replace. Then you can have this here, have this here. So you can have this. Then I can replace this here. So if I format this, then we can have our mad grid, and we can have everything there. So that's cool. So this is one of the item here, and we have everything there. So the next thing that we need to do is for the system code details. I don't think if we updated the system code details. So we also need to update this. So I'll just update. So I don't want to use bootstrap features. I'm just changing to have fully mad Blazor features. So here I'll just paste this here. Then we can do the same for this. Then I can replace div with mad item. Then we can close this here. So if I do that and format our app, then I believe we should be good. So the next thing that we need to do is we need now to provide the default option. So let's copy one of them here, and you can have it on our system code. So here you can say select system code. So if you do that and refresh, then our app, we should be having all the, so this will change. And you can see it actually positioned it well. So you can see we have now system code. And if you come here, I need to refresh. Yes. So it does hang. So let me just check to ensure we have everything there. This is okay, this is okay. Yes, so I believe everything is okay. So let's relaunch our app and see. So for those who are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, like the video, comment down below, and also share. So in case you need the source code, you can claim the source code using the link down below. So let's just launch our app and see. So we should be able to log in and access our dashboard. So this is our login screen. So I'll just sign in. So once we have that, then here we have the system code. Then our system code, yes. So you can see now we have the gender. So you can select the education and any other. So this is our list and this is our dashboard. So I wanted just to make some few tweaks, and then we should be able now to proceed with the other modules as we had indicated. So if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and see you in our next episode. Bye.